Hello everyone，大家好，我今天给你们推荐3本关于风投的书。第一本《Secrets from Santal Road》by Scott Cooper，我超级喜欢这本书。It gives you a broad but super comprehensive overview over the entire VC landscape. Everything that matters, from how to prepare for startup pitches to the difference between limited and general partners, all topics covered. If you have to pick one book, honestly, this is the one that I would pick. 第二本 Venture Deals.Be Smarter Than Your Lawyer and Venture Capitalist by Brad Feltz and Jason Mendelson. This is a deep dive into the topic of term sheets. Term sheets are definitely a key component of our daily business. So if you understand term sheets, you already know a lot about venture capital. The topic might sound technical, but it's really easy to follow even without prior knowledge. 第三本 The Harvard Business Review Entrepreneur's Handbook.This book covers the entire entrepreneurial journey, including topics like how to get funding, what different types of funding are there, but also how and maybe when to exit. 好的, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy the books. Let me know what you think. I'll see you next time.